If you don't get that many views on YouTube, have you ever thought about it might be because of your click-through rate? When you publish a video for the first time on YouTube, the algorithm will start slowly promoting it. But if the viewers don't click on your video that much, then your CTR, your click-through rate will be low, and therefore the algorithm will stop promoting your video. So in today's video, we will talk about what is a good number of click-through rate and how can you increase it. Actually, YouTube has an official statement for a good number of CTR suggesting between 2% and 10% is normal. Let me show you quickly an example from my channel. This video has only 2.4% click-through rate, which is actually considered normal by YouTube, but only has 26 views. The second video got a click-through rate of 3.9% and it performed better, got 170 views. But this video's click-through rate is 5.6% and it got more than 1,200 views. So this example clearly shows that even a little change in the click-through rate can make a big difference in the video performance. The higher click-through rate you get, the better the video is performing. So now let's talk about how to increase the click-through rate of your videos. You might have heard this before, but to get a better click-through rate, you need to find interesting topics, you need to write better titles and have high-quality thumbnails, which attracts more clicks to your content. And they are all correct, but there is something else I want to mention. Even if you have a great topic, a great title and a great thumbnail, everything is perfect. When you don't have a clear niche, you don't get that many clicks. Let me show you. The YouTube algorithm has one job, which is trying to match the right content with the right audience. So your content will get views and the viewers will get something to watch. Now, why having a niche is important? This is one of the most common mistakes that we see many small channels, even sometimes larger channels are making, which is they are posting random content that has nothing to do with each other. Let's say you started a new channel and posted your first video about travel and it got 100 views. And let's say it got a 10% click-through rate. Now, instead of posting a second travel video, many channels go and they post something else, let's say about technology. When you do that, the algorithm will show your new video first people who have watched your content, your travel content before, and to your subscribers. Most likely, they won't be interested in your tech content, so your click-through rate will drop sharply, let's say to 1%. But the algorithm doesn't stop there. It tests your new content with these people, okay? But it also shows your content to a new group of people, let's say another new 100 people that are interested in technology. Let's say these people also bring you a 10% click-through rate. But these people from your travel content brought a 1% click-through rate, which automatically drops your click-through rate to somewhere around 5%. No matter how good your videos are, both of them can be great content. That doesn't matter. You go and try another content and you post a video about content creation. This time, what the algorithm does, it shows your content to these people and to these people as well. And now guess what happens? They don't show interest. Your click-through rate will drop even further. 200 views, 200 people, okay? But they got a 1% click-through rate on average, so you will get only 2 views. And then the algorithm says people are not interested in this one. So your third video is not going to get any views. This is why it is very important to have a niche, just because of this click-through rate problem. On the other hand, another channel makes it right and they go and post the first video about travel, the second video about travel, and the third video about travel. When all of them got 100 views, so this one gets a 10% click-through rate, this one also gets a 10% click-through rate, And the third video will be shown back to these people and back to these people. This time you have 200 people with a 10% click-through rate and another new 100 people also with a 10% click-through rate. So you get immediately 30 views with a 10% click-through rate. And when your video does a great job with a very high click-through rate, even if your first initial views are low, then the algorithm thinks, okay, this video does a great job, so let's show it to more people who might be also interested in travel. Okay, so it starts showing to a larger group of people and tries to see how much of them are also interested in your travel content. Once the impressions increase, your click-through rate will start slowly dropping down. This is fine, but the important thing here is that if your initial click-through rate is high, then you will always get a lot more views. This was exactly what happened on my channel. One of my videos got 2.4% click-through rate, got only 20 views, and the other one got around 5% click-through rate and got more than 1,000 views, just because of a better click-through rate. So to recap, a low CTR causes bad performing videos. But achieving to get more clicks is just the first part. You also need to keep your audience watching your video as long as possible by increasing your audience retention, which I explain in the next video. Let us know what you think in the comments below about this topic. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.